Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. So I have this Expobar espresso machine here, and this machine had a few problems. One major issue is that the steam wand had been cross-threaded and needed to be replaced entirely. So here's the old one, as you can see. So I replaced this, and then I actually wasn't able to get a new steam wand, so what I did is I took the steam wand off and replaced the Teflon tube inside. So now there's a new one. This is Cool Touch, so before there was like a leak in it, and it was getting really hot. So now that's repaired. The steam looks great. In addition to that, I did an entire overhaul of the E61 style group head, and this is just because the valves were damaged by scale and also shaved. So you can see hopefully, how much this one was shaven down. And the same goes for this one. Hopefully you can see that. So I replaced all of those, and I descaled the boilers, backflushed the group head, and yeah, I think that's about it for the overhaul. Just wiped down the entire machine. Additionally, the machine had some damaged wires. So here's one of those. I had to do quite a bit of rewiring inside of the machine. And the last part was that once everything was completed, there was a leak coming from this elbow here. So actually I needed to replace both elbows, but we had a little bit of difficulty finding the parts. So it took us a few weeks, but it's repaired now. New hose, 2 new elbows in the machine. There's no leaking at all, and I also replaced the group head screen again. That's about it for this machine. I'm just going to pull a shot just to show you that everything's working. I'll do a quick demo for you here. This is our test copy, so it's not calibrated to this machine. That's why you might see it running a little bit fast. Right. But anyway, you can see that we're able to get nice thick crema, and we're getting up to the 9 bars of pressure. Here's the water. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.